Hello, I'm Sarah, and welcome to Travel Partner Official, your guide to experiencing the world affordably. Today, we're whisking you away to Amsterdam, a city of charming canals, world-class museums, and vibrant culture. We're going to unlock the secrets to exploring Amsterdam on a budget, from free walking tours to affordable eats and everything in between. So, tighten your travel belts, grab your virtual clogs, and get ready to discover the magic of Amsterdam without breaking the bank. Amsterdam is a city best explored on foot, and what better way to do it than with a free walking tour? You'll find plenty of enthusiastic local guides eager to share their love for the city, unveiling hidden gems and fascinating stories you won't find in any guidebook. Look for free walking tours online or ask at your accommodation for recommendations. These tours typically operate on a pay-what-you-like basis, meaning you can contribute what you feel the tour was worth at the end. It's a fantastic way to get your bearings, soak in the city's ambiance, and learn from passionate locals. You'll discover the iconic canal rings, meander through charming neighborhoods like Jordan, and maybe even stumble upon a hidden courtyard cafe. Remember to wear comfortable shoes. Amsterdam is best explored one cobblestone at a time. These tours aren't just about the sights. They're about connecting with the city on a deeper level. Listen closely to the stories, ask questions, and embrace the local perspective. It's like having a friend show you around their hometown. And hey, if you're feeling adventurous, venture beyond the city center on your own walking tour. Pick a neighborhood that piques your interest, perhaps the trendy De Piep or the up-and-coming Noord district, and get lost in the charm of Amsterdam's diverse neighborhoods. Remember, the best travel experiences often happen when you wander off the beaten path. As you stroll along the canals, take a moment to appreciate the city's unique character. The picturesque houses, the aroma of fresh stroop waffles, the gentle ringing of bicycle bells. These are the sensory details that make Amsterdam so special. Don't be afraid to get a little lost. Amsterdam is a very walkable city, and even if you take a wrong turn, you're bound to stumble upon something interesting. So, lace up those walking shoes, embrace the spirit of adventure, and discover the hidden treasures that await around every corner. Amsterdam boasts an efficient and affordable public transportation system, making it easy to zip around the city without emptying your wallet. Ditch the taxis and embrace the local way of getting around. The OV chip card is your key to seamless travel. This rechargeable card grants you access to trams, buses, and metros. You can purchase one at train stations or convenience stores. For shorter trips, consider renting a bike. Amsterdam is a cyclist's paradise with dedicated bike paths everywhere. Feel the wind in your hair as you navigate the city like a true Amsterdammer. Just remember to brush up on your cycling etiquette. This is Amsterdam, after all. Signal your turns, be mindful of pedestrians, and always lock your bike securely. If you're planning on exploring beyond Amsterdam, the train system is your best bet. The Netherlands is a compact country, and you can easily reach other charming cities like Utrecht or Haarlem for a day trip. Purchase your train tickets in advance online for the best deals, especially if you're traveling during peak season. And keep an eye out for special offers and discounts. Download a transportation app like 9292 or Citymapper to help you plan your routes and check schedules. And don't hesitate to ask locals for directions or advice. The Dutch are generally very helpful and speak excellent English. Embrace the local way of getting around, and you'll save money and experience the city from a unique perspective. Remember, public transportation isn't just a way to get from point A to point B. It's an opportunity to observe local life, soak in the city's rhythm, and maybe even strike up a conversation with a friendly local. Finding affordable accommodations in Amsterdam doesn't have to be a challenge. While the city has its share of luxury hotels, there are plenty of budget-friendly options that won't break the bank. Consider staying in a hostel. Amsterdam has a wide range of hostels, from basic to boutique, offering dorm rooms and private rooms at budget-friendly prices. It's a great way to meet fellow travelers and save money. Look for hostels located a bit outside the city center for even better deals. You can easily reach the main attractions by public transportation or bike. Another option is to explore Airbnb or similar platforms for apartments or rooms for rent. You might find some hidden gems at affordable prices, especially if you're traveling in a group. Be sure to book your accommodations in advance, especially if you're visiting during peak season. Amsterdam is a popular destination, and affordable options tend to fill up quickly. When choosing your accommodations, consider your priorities. Are you looking for a social atmosphere or a quiet retreat? Do you need to be in the heart of the action, or are you happy to stay a bit further out? Remember, your accommodations don't have to be fancy to be comfortable and welcoming. The most important thing is to find a place that fits your budget and allows you to relax and recharge after a day of exploring. Amsterdam is a city brimming with culture and history, and you don't need to spend a fortune to experience its treasures. In fact, some of the best things to do in Amsterdam are absolutely free. Start your day with a visit to Vondelpark, Amsterdam's sprawling urban oasis. Rent a bike, pack a picnic, or simply stroll along the leafy paths and soak in the vibrant atmosphere. For a dose of art and culture, head to the Museumplein, home to the Rijksmuseum, the Van Gogh Museum, and the Stedelijk Museum. While these museums charge admission, the square itself is a spectacle, with street performers, art installations, and a lively ambiance. Explore Amsterdam's charming neighborhoods on foot. Wander through the Jordaan with its picturesque canals and independent boutiques, or venture to De Piep, a multicultural hub with bustling markets and trendy cafes. Don't miss the Albert Kuip Market, a sensory overload of sights, sounds, and smells. Sample local delicacies, browse for souvenirs, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this Amsterdam institution. For a unique perspective on the city, take a free ferry across the IJ River to Amsterdam Noord. This up-and-coming district is home to cutting-edge art galleries, trendy restaurants, and stunning views of the city skyline. Many museums offer free admission on certain days or evenings, so be sure to check their websites before you go. You might be able to snag a deal and experience world-class art without spending a dime. Amsterdam is a city best explored on foot, so lace up your walking shoes and get lost in its charming streets. You never know what hidden gems you might discover around the next corner. Eating well in Amsterdam doesn't have to cost a fortune. With a little savvy planning, you can enjoy delicious and affordable meals throughout your trip. Start your day the Dutch way with a hearty breakfast at a local bakery. Indulge in fresh bread, pastries, and strong coffee for a fraction of the cost of a hotel breakfast. For lunch on the go, grab a broodje, a Dutch-style sandwich piled high with fresh ingredients. You'll find plenty of options at bakeries, markets, and street vendors. Embrace the Dutch tradition of borrel, a pre-dinner snack and drinks. Many bars offer affordable snacks and happy hour deals, making it a great way to unwind and save money. For dinner, consider exploring neighborhoods outside the city center, where you'll find more affordable restaurants catering to locals. Look for Dagshotel, the daily special, for a budget-friendly and authentic meal. Don't be afraid to try street food. Amsterdam has a vibrant street food scene, with vendors offering everything from Dutch classics like fries with mayonnaise to international flavors. If you're craving a sweet treat, indulge in a stroopwafel, a thin waffle cookie filled with caramel syrup. You'll find them at street vendors and bakeries throughout the city. Tap water in Amsterdam is perfectly safe to drink, so carry a reusable water bottle and refill it throughout the day. When dining out, be mindful of tourist traps. Restaurants located in the heart of tourist areas often charge higher prices. Venture a few blocks away for more affordable options. And there you have it, your guide to experiencing the best of Amsterdam on a budget. Remember, travel is about embracing new experiences and creating lasting memories, not about breaking the bank. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more budget travel inspiration. Happy travels!